Hey guys, what's up? It's Jonathan right here. I have a GoPro now. We're gonna be filming with this. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we're heading to the gas station now. Cause well, that's why. This is like the first time recording on a GoPro. It's a little weird. Probably film being there, so yeah. Alright, so we got gas just now. We are on our way home, and I don't know what else. Honestly, today has been a good day to film with the GoPro. Fuel. That's pretty good. Alright, see you guys when I get back to the house. Alright guys, so we are basically going, this is the end of the video. I know it was a short little video. It's just trying to start with the GoPro. They'll probably get longer, look more comfortable I become with it. So I went from a perfectly nice 5S with a tripod to a, I could use this, the handlebar mount as a tripod, but I really don't want to a no tripod GoPro that's missing the display screen, because you guys will see why in the next video. This video was shot in 2015. Basically, the last time I used this camera was 2015, or so I think. And I know this was the last time. That was the last time. It was like 2015 because my dad still had his old black truck. You guys know he has a 2012 Dodge Ram, but he had a 13 Silverado 1500 before that trip. So that's how I know that this has not been used since 2015. But it's coming back. It's actually a very good vlog camera. It's very light, small. I did find out the Wi-Fi password. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.